Today I have with me my brother, younger one. So the point of this is where you close your eyes and somebody's going to ask us questions and you have to answer them.
Eyes closed. So who is the pickier eater? Point at yourself or your brother. Who's messier? Who is funnier? Who's most likely to get in trouble at school? Who's most likely to get in trouble at home? Who is better at sports? Who's better at art? Who's crazier? Who is more fearless? Who's louder? Who has more attitude? Who farts more? Whose farts smell the worst? Who's better at Lego? Last question is, who is better with technology, like computers and phones and stuff?
Just me. Bye-bye. I hope you guys all have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below.